Okay, so we got this situation. There are three sections in a question paper. So let's say it is section A, B, C, each containing 5 questions. So 5, 5, and 5. A candidate has to solve any 5 questions. So candidate has to solve 5 questions, choosing at least one from each section. Okay, so look at the restriction. So he has to choose one question from each. Okay, find the total number of ways in which the candidate can choose the question. Okay, so can I say that let's satisfy the bare minimum first. So 3 questions from section A, 1 question from section B, and 1 question from section C. You can also say that, sir, why you have taken 3 from A? You can also take 1, 3, 1. Yes, it is correct way. Okay. Now you can also go with 1, 1, 3. Okay. Now let's break that 3. So we will have 2. I will write down this thing in decreasing order. Okay. So that I cannot end up having, I don't want to lose any case. Okay. So it is 2 to 1 because 2 questions from here, 2 questions is from here. I cannot take 3 because I don't have, I, I have to leave this section as it is. Okay, because and now we, you know that we have to solve at least one question, so one has to be there. Okay, so it is 2 to 1. We can also go with 2 1 2. We can also go with 1 2 2. Okay, so these many ways are possible. Now look at this. Let's write down the required result. So required number. So first, you know that this blue is same, like every question is same, number of question is same, selection is also in correct order. Okay, so we will have same result in all the 3 cases, so we will multiply by 3. So 5C3 from section A, then task is not completed, so I'll select one more question, 5C1 from section B, and then 5C1, and this has to be multiplied by 3 because I have to add this with 5C1, 5C3, 5C1. It's the same result. Okay, you will multiply ABC or CAB or BCA, it is same thing, no? So it is 3 times. Now look at this case, whatever it is, purple, pink, whatever you can say. So like it is 5C2, 5C2, 5C1 into 3 because all 3 are same, है ना? So let's simplify things. You know that 3 is common, so you can take 3 common outside. Now 5C3 is 5 factorial, 4 factorial, 3 factorial, and then 3 factorial, 2 factorial. 5C1 is 5. 5C1 is 5. Now 5C2. So 5 factorial, sorry, 5, 4, 3 factorial by 2 factorial, 3 factorial into 5, same thing. Okay, 5, 4, 3 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, and 5C1 is 5. Okay, now let's simplify things. So 3 factorial gone, 3 factorial and 3 factorial gone, 2 factorial become 4, it will neutralize 4, है ना? Let's simplify again, 3 factorial gone, 2 factorial, this thing will neutralized. We will be having, look at this, so 5, 5, 5. So it is 125, 125 into 2 is 250. Correct? Now look at the next case. So it is 5, 5, 5. So it is 125, 125 into 4. So it is 500. So it is 750 multiplied by 3. So let's multiply 22. Okay, so it is 2250. So there are 2250 ways in which this problem can be resolved. I hope the idea is clear.